Do you want to know what we're making?
What are we making?
We're making onion rings.
What?
State Fair style, ultra crispy onion rings.
I don't know who you are and what you've done with Jamie, but let's do it. Jamie.
Yes.
What you got there?
What is this miniature spaceship looking device? This is an air fryer, a small convection oven that circulates air up to 400 degrees. It prevents condensation, so it prevents your food from getting soggy and instead makes it ultra crispy with using very minimal oil. We've got one onion here. I'm going to go ahead and chop off the ends of it. And we're gonna need to cut this guy into about 1/2 inch thick rounds. We don't want them any thinner because we wanna make sure that they have a really hearty texture still. We don't want them to be so light that they blow around inside the air fryer. So I'm gonna try to do this without crying. Fine. Everything's fine. This is about the size that we want, about 1/2 inch thick. We just want to try to get these bigger circles. We've got assembly line set up here. We're going to start by dredging the onion rings in flour. We'll dip them in an egg mixture and then we'll coat them in some whole wheat panko. Over here I've got some regular all-purpose flour, a little bit of smoked paprika, a touch of salt. Give this guy a little stir. And then over here we're going to do our egg mixture. So it's just 1 whole egg mixed with 1 tablespoon of water. And then our last one is going to be the whole wheat panko. Again, just mixed with a tiny bit of salt.
You're gonna whisk it?
And we're just gonna zhuzh this one up.
Zhuzh?
A little zhuzh. Starting off with this guy. Nice little dredge in flour. Coat him as well as you can. And then put him in the panko pool.
You're doing the Lord's work.
When you're dipping in the panko, try just to lightly press the panko against the onion rings just to get it to stick as well as you can. This would be a fun activity, I feel like, for a family to do together. Then I'm going to put this directly into the basket, which we have sprayed with cooking spray. And you don't want to layer these up too much because you want to make sure that they have enough space to crisp up. So we're going to do about 4 onion rings for each batch. All right, so this is what our onion rings are looking like. We're going to give them a light little spray of cooking spray and then let's pop them in. We're gonna cook these guys at 375 for 10 minutes. Because of this small space, the cooking time zips along a lot faster. So we'll just cook the rest of them in batches as soon as these guys are done.
Should have wore my rings. My Wranglers.
Put a ring on it. While these guys cook, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our page and give us a comment about what your favorite thing to cook in the air fryer is. It's time to make the sauce. Every good onion ring needs a good sauce. So we're making a sauce called comeback sauce. It's a cousin to remoulade and it's ubiquitous to the South. It's creamy and zesty. It's gonna be a great balance to our air fried onion rings. We're starting off with some Greek yogurt, just a little bit of mayo, some ketchup. It's like every condiment that you'd put on a burger, you have in comeback sauce. Dijon mustard, garlic powder, and some paprika. Do you know why it's called comeback sauce?
I assume in 3 to 4 hours it's gonna come back to get you.
No, because it keeps you coming back for more.
Oh, what are we waiting on?
The ding.
The ding.
There's a very pronounced ding that we're going to hear. Just wait for it.
How they look,
Ooh,
Jamie?
Baby, they look brown and crispy.
Holy cow.
It's a righteous ring. We've got our air fryer onion rings, ultra crispy. We didn't even have to use any oil, just a little bit of cooking spray. There's only 1 gram of saturated fat per serving. Ready for this crunch? That's what's up. I would enthusiastically serve these to a crowd or just make them for myself for just a night of trash TV.
Would you absolutely share one of those with your cameraman?
I would share one, just one.
Oh yeah, that's baller, man.
Thank you guys for joining us today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our page. Leave a comment and let us know what recipes you want to see next time, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Wait, Jamie, come back.
Nope.
Come back.